Good morning students, I am Sasikala, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, SFR College. So today we are going to see about priority scheduling and round robin schedulings. So our objective of this video is the basic concept of priority and round robin scheduling algorithm. Before going to priority scheduling algorithm, I give you a short introduction about CPU scheduling algorithm. The CPU scheduling algorithm is a fundamental concept of operating system which is optimize the performance of OS operating system, like to maximize the CPU utilization, increases the throughput time and minimize the turnaround, waiting and response times. So the various types of CPU scheduling algorithms such as first come first served, shortest job first, priority scheduling, round robin scheduling, multi-level feedback queue scheduling algorithms. So first we will see about what is priority scheduling algorithm. So priority scheduling algorithm, a priority is assigned to each process which have highest priority, which is the CPU is allocated for that process. The smallest integer means highest priority. There are two types of priority scheduling algorithms. One is primitive and non-primitive scheduling algorithm. Primitive scheduling algorithm means if a process is executed, a new process is come with higher priority than in current process, then the current process is preempt and new process is assigned to the CPU. Non-primitive scheduling algorithm means if once a process start to execute, it runs completions, even higher priority process comes CPU, it never prompt the current process. That is called non-primitive scheduling algorithm. So the problem of priority scheduling algorithm is starvation. The lower priority process may never execute sometimes. So for that, a solution is aging. Aging is a technique which is assigned to increase the priority gradually for the waiting process. So this is one of the technique to solve the starvation problem. So this is example of priority scheduling. So there are 5 processes with burst time and priority. So the priority 1, highest priority 1 is process 2, which is executed first, and the second highest priority is process 5. Likewise, all the process is run. So smallest number means highest priority, highest number means lowest priority. So the average turn time for 8.2 milliseconds. So then we will see about round robin scheduling algorithm. Round robin scheduling algorithm is a time sharing scheduling algorithm. For that, each process gets a small unit of time, that is a small unit of time quantum, usually 10 to 100 millisecond. After this time has elapsed, the process is preempt and added to the end of ready queue. If there are n processes in the ready queue, the time quantum is q, and each process gets at least 1 by n of the time in chunks of at most. So the process waits not more than n minus 1 into q time. So the performance of round robin is, if a queue is time quantum is very large, it behaves like first in first served basis. If the time quantum queue is very small, it leads to high context switching overhead. So let us see one example. So this is one example. If your time quantum is 12, the process time is 10, the context switches is only 0. If the process time is 10 and the quantum is 6, the context switches is 1. If the process time is 10 and time quantum is 1, then the context switches have 9. So this is the problem if your queue is very small. So this is one example. Average turnaround time varies with various time quantums. So in this example, if the quantum is 1, the average turnaround is 11. If your time quantum is 12, 2, the average turnaround is 11.5. Likewise, this is one of the example. So 80% of CPU burst should be shorter than quantum, time quantum Q. Thank you.